Hey, what's up, Vechain holders? So Vechain live price prediction and technical analysis, absolutely we do. But a lot of holders ask me to, can this is possible to Vechain will make me rich man, and this month just in only in the June. So absolutely, my brother, this is possible. But if they can jump 10x to 15x, oh my goodness, it's a very high jump. Oh my god, but this is not impossible, my brother. Absolutely, this is possible if you starting holding, if you cannot sell, if you invest more and more, if holders starting investing. So this is possible. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. Otherwise, if you want to invest, then please research personally about Vechain, and absolutely after that you go now and invest. Exactly, this is going to be very good now. And as you can see, my brother, this time 20% the price is increased now just in only the 7 days. And if you check out the last 3 days, especially in this month, then we understand can in this month they will move upward or not. So Vechain has one of the unicorn. You can see your last 3 days chart, and the last 3 days chart occur 10.23%. You can see the price will increase now, and absolutely they take just an only jump now, very huge jumps. So it's mean to Vechain is completely going the moon now. In upcoming time, you need to hold and wait for a good time. This chart is completely show you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is more chances to the price will increase now in upcoming time. So Vechain holder, the giveaway is also coming soon of Vechain. You need to participate just in only, my brothers, subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.